making a shrimp soup, and I don't really like shrimp soup. I don't like my shrimp, what is it called, hot. I usually like just eat it cold, but this is so good, the way I make it. If you have like a hangover, I feel like this would be that hangover kind of food. I put shrimp and I put some seasonings. I'm gonna add a picture with the seasonings when I serve the plate or the bowl. And then afterwards, I just put fresh cilantro and onion. So I'm gonna post this, just a little recipe, I guess, and the stuff that I use for it. It's so good though, like, but it's spicy. So if you don't like spicy, then this dish isn't really for you. Or you can just not use chili at all, but I use chili. It's so good. It kind of reminds me of menudo, but this is obviously shrimp. So it's not menudo, but it's shrimp, just shrimp, that's it. You can add salt to it if you want, but for me, I just get the shrimp and I buy the shrimp that's already peeled, the tail cut off and everything. So yeah, I'm gonna post the recipe in the description down below. So let me know if you do try it, or if you like it, or if you even like spicy stuff. If you do, try this. And then try it if you have a hangover the next day. Try it, please. Have your boo, your man, your woman make this for you, and let me know, because I feel like this would be such a perfect hangover soup, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna show you the seasonings that I use. Give me 1 second. Okay, so right here I'm just adding lime. I just put everything in a bowl, and you don't have to put extra lime because it's already in the marinade, but I like to put lime to everything, especially when it complements the food. And then afterwards, I already have some chopped up cilantro and fresh onion, and I like a lot of cilantro. I didn't put that much right here, but I usually put a lot of cilantro, like in my menudo or any kind of soup, pozole, whatever. But in this, I definitely want to put more next time. But yeah, just go ahead and try this recipe. Let me know what you think. I will list, and hopefully, I think I got it in here where I put the ingredients. But yeah, it's really simple. I hope you guys enjoy this, because I certainly did. I had some pretty much all day. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this small little recipes. Very, very simple, and enjoy it, and enjoy your days at home with your family. And thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.